Good morning, class. So, this is the part 2 of your chapter 12, that which is geometrical shapes. As I cleared you the difference between 2D and 3D shapes, but there are some more specific differences which I want to tell you and share with you. Now, take a look over there. 2D shapes have a two dimensions, means length and breadth. Otherwise, 3D shape has three dimensions, which is length, breadth, and height. It is a 2D shape is also called a plane figure, and a 3D shape is also called a solid figure. 2D shape don't have faces. As I told you in your previous class that a number of faces, only 3D shapes have a number of faces, right? So that's why a 2D shape don't have a number of faces and 3D shapes have a number of faces. And examples of a 2D shape is a square, rectangle, etc. Whereas the 3D shapes have a cube, cuboid, and cylinder, circle, cone, sphere, and alike. Okay, so this is the main specific difference between the phase. And as we have completed the chapter, this is a very small chapter, and we have already completed it now. Actually, we have completed it in our last class now. So what you have to do, I have some extra work so that the things make more clear to you. What you have to do, you have to do the question number 2 of exercise 12.2. Now I am going to tell you how you can do it. Just take a simple rough paper, draw the cut these shapes, okay, and then fold them from in between. Okay, take a simple rough paper which is available to you, cut in the following shapes in a shape of square, circle, triangle, and it's a hexagon which is given to you. Okay, and fold them in between and paste it in your copy. Okay, now question number 3, फाइंड द फिगर्स बाय फोल्डेड पेपर्स. फोल्डेड पेपर्स, आपको पेपर किसी भी शेप में कट करना है और उसको फोल्ड करके आपको फॉलोइंग शेप्स फॉर्म करनी है, लाइक स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, सर्कल, हेक्सागन, पेंटागन एंड ट्राइंगल. ओके क्लास, ओके, एंड यू कैन कट द पेपर इन एनी शेप, एनी रफ पेपर. ओके, एंड देन you can cut it in any shape and then fold it to make a square, rectangle, circle, skip the circle and pentagon. Okay, now there is a one more work for you. What you have to do, first of all, make a notes of the following chapter. I'll tell you how you can make the notes. See, first of all, write the date, whatever you want, like today or a day before the yesterday, where when we start this chapter. Write the topic geometrical shapes and start writing the notes. How you can write the notes? Just write the plane figure and note this line, this and this and this. Okay, after that draw some pictures, some good pictures, and then these solid shapes. The object we can see around us have different shapes. Okay, like this: cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone. Okay, and this. No need to draw all this, just write cube, cylinder. No need to draw these. Okay, sphere, cone. Just write these words. I'll tell you which one. Like if you are writing about the cube na, then write this: a cuboid with all the edges of the same length is a cube. A cube has 8 vertex, a cube has 12 edges, and a cube has 6 faces. That's it. That much you have to write. No need to draw these. You have to draw this kind of shapes. Okay, in case of cylinder, here it is given. In case of sphere, a simple ball you can like this. Okay, cone is like this. Okay, and just write the main points over there. So this is become your notes. Okay, after 2D shapes. And after that, when you have done it na, this is all work so that you will make you more clear. Now here is writing the shapes is a square, number of side is 4, vertex 4, and look alike. So you have to make a table like this only, but with the 3 column, like only that much. You have to draw a table with the shape, side and vertex, but you have to start writing with the first triangle, then square. I'm writing it 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay, that means start writing with the triangle, number of sides is 3, vertex 3, then write square, rectangle, rhombus, then pentagon, then hexagon, and then you have to continue the table with the number of sides. 7 भी होती हैं sides बेटा, then 8, then 9 and then 10. ठीक है, और you have to find out, आपको पता लगाना है that what we call them, like the shapes which has a 7 sides, what we call them. आपको पता लगाना है कि हम उसे क्या कहते हैं. You can take help from your parents, from your elder brother, sister, from any neighborhood or from anywhere. And if you don't get anything, so you can take help from net also, internet. Okay, so what we call a shape which has 7 sides, 8 sides, 9 sides and 10 sides. Okay, and in the same way you have to make a chart of 3D shapes, 3 dimensions shapes. Okay, in that how you would make that table, I'll show you. Like shape, then vertex, then number of edges and then phases. Like if you write cube, so cube has how many vertex? 12 vertex, 12 edges, 6 faces. Okay, so you have to write it like this: cube, cuboid, cylinder, okay, cone, sphere, whatever the shape you know which is given in your book only. For the 3D shapes you have to make that much only. Okay, so I hope you understand your work easily, and if you have any problem you can repeat that video again and again and can do the work with the help of your parents or elders or anyone nearby. Okay, so stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.